This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nutri gravy at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including Nutri nuggets, onions, tomatoes, and your preferred spices. Begin by soaking about 100 grams of Nutri nuggets in warm water for approximately 15 minutes until they soften. While they soak, finely chop 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic to create a flavorful base for your gravy. Once your Nutri nuggets are soft, squeeze out excess water and set them aside. Now, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and garlic, sautéing them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This step is crucial for building a rich flavor profile. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger-garlic paste and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. Pour in 1 cup of pureed tomatoes and cook for about 5 minutes, allowing the mixture to thicken slightly. Next, add your spices: 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. Mix well. Finally, add the squeezed Nutri nuggets and 1.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. After simmering, your delicious Nutri gravy is almost ready. Finish it off by stirring in 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala and garnishing with fresh, chopped cilantro. This adds a wonderful aroma and a final layer of flavor. Serve your hot, homemade Nutri gravy with steamed rice, roti, or naan for a satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.